So the break in Munnar was a fruitful one, since there is this mandate from Karnataka government that you should have a negative RT-PCR report while you are crossing the border into Karnataka, which includes from the state of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Maharashtra. Since the cases are high, especially in Kerala, Goa and Maharashtra. So managing that RT-PCR test, and that's something which I was working on yesterday, and I explored some bit of Munnar. So we just had our breakfast here, and for my surprise, there was a fall just across the road. Machine is working now? Huh? Machine working now? Huh? Malayali ille? Malayali ille? Huh? Sorry? No Malayali. English, Hindi, Marathi. 1,000. A quick forest check and entry, 10 rupees. We are continuing now. Thank you. So I've just reached Athirapally waterfall. I have checked it in my hotel, which is around 10 kilometers away from the waterfall. There are many resorts nearby, तो आप लोग वहाँ पे भी चेक इन कर सकते हो, बट booking.com पे बस 2 ही होटल दिख रहे थे, इसलिए आई टुक दैट. यहाँ पे टिकट काउंटर है अथिरापल्ली वाटरफॉल के लिए. अडल्ट का 50 रुपये, चिल्ड्रन का 40 एंड सो ऑन. कैमरा वगैरह, वेब कैम, वीडियो कैम, इनके प्राइसेस अलग है. चलो, वी विल टेक द टिकट एंड गो इनसाइड. There are 2 ways that you can follow. जहाँ से पूरे फॉल का व्यू दिखता है। और ये जो है दिस इज़ द सेकंड वे, इट्स अराउंड 10 मिनट्स ऑफ वॉकिंग, जो कि वाटरफॉल के नीचे जाता है। So Athirapally is the same waterfall which was used in the movie Bahubali, and it is the largest waterfall in South India. Now we are going back to the parking, so it will be around 15 minutes of small trek. This is the top view of Athirapally waterfall. So this is the hotel I'm staying tonight, Hydel Palace Hotel. Hi guys, so this is it for today. It was a really beautiful ride today, riding in the jungles and reaching from Munnar to Athirapally. Tomorrow our ride will be from Athirapally to Wayanad, which is a long one. So yeah, tomorrow it will be an early morning ride. So yeah, that's it. So if you have enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.